Hey there, history buffs. Today I'm diving into one of the most controversial inventions in human history, the nuclear bomb. Why does it even exist? Let's unravel this together. First off, we need to travel back to the tumultuous days of World War II. The world was in chaos, nations were desperate for an edge, and the stakes were higher than ever. Enter the Manhattan Project. Spearheaded by the United States, this top-secret initiative aimed to harness the power of nuclear fission. The goal? To create a weapon so powerful, it could end the war. But why nuclear fission? Well, splitting an atom releases an immense amount of energy. Scientists like Einstein and Oppenheimer realized this could be a game-changer. In 1945, their theories turned into reality with the bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki. The devastation was unprecedented, yet it effectively brought World War II to a close. So, was that it? End the war and disband the bombs? Not quite. Post-war, the world stepped into the Cold War era. A new kind of tension emerged, one of nuclear arms races, deterrence, and a balance of terror. Nations believed that possessing nuclear weapons was essential to maintain power and prevent conflicts. The idea was, if everyone has them, no one dares to use them. This brings us to the concept of mutually assured destruction, or MAD. It's a grim but fascinating strategy. Essentially, if one country launches a nuclear attack, others would retaliate, ensuring mutual destruction. A stark deterrent, but it's kept the peace, albeit a fragile one. However, the existence of nuclear bombs isn't just about warfare. There are political, economic, and even scientific reasons at play. For instance, nuclear technology has paved the way for advancements in medicine and energy, yet the shadow of its destructive power always looms large. In a nutshell, nuclear bombs exist as a complex mix of history, science, and strategy. They've shaped global politics and continue to influence our world today. Understanding why they exist helps us grasp the delicate balance of power in our modern world. So, there you have it. The shocking truth about why nuclear bombs exist. It's a topic that's as explosive as the bombs themselves. Thanks for tuning in, and if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like and subscribe for more history revelations. Catch you in the next video.